Figma Animation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for Figma.com. Log into your account. If you don't have one, create a new account first. Once you reach the home page, go to the left sidebar and click on the All Project section. When your project appears, click on it. Now, locate the Create button and click it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the Design option. Once your project is ready, start by creating a rectangle. Right-click on the rectangle to convert it into a frame. Then check the Clip Content checkbox on the right panel. Next, add another rectangle inside the first one. Copy this new layer and move the rectangle to create the animation steps you want. When you've finished adjusting the animation position, go to the Prototype section. Select your first layer and drag the plus button to connect it to the second layer. A drop-down menu will appear. Change the trigger to After Delay and adjust the delay as needed. Set the animation to Smart Animate and the curve to Custom Spring. Repeat this step for all layers, linking layer 2 to 3 and so on. Once finished, click the preview icon on your first layer to view your animated shape.